Imagine this: Earth billions of years ago. Not the Earth we know, but a giant shimmering ball of water. No continents, no land, just a vast, endless ocean reaching for the stars. This was our home, a blue planet bathed in the light of a young sun. The sun, much fainter then, cast a golden glow upon the swirling clouds above. Beneath the surface of the global ocean, life teemed. Tiny, simple organisms thrived in this watery cradle, unaware of the dramatic transformation that awaited their world. They were the first Earthlings, swimming in an alien sea. The stage was set for a cosmic drama, a celestial event that would forever alter the fate of our planet and set in motion the chain of events leading to our existence. The universe, it seems, had other plans for our water world. Far out in the darkness of space, a monstrous asteroid, a rogue celestial body we might nickname the Wild Boar, hurtled towards the Earth. This wasn't just any asteroid, it was a planet killer, a mountain of rock and metal larger than any continent we know today. This Wild Boar was on a collision course with our watery world, fated to transform the Earth from a serene water planet into a very different kind of place. The impact when it came would be more powerful than a billion nuclear bombs exploding at once. The Wild Boar slammed into the Earth with unimaginable force. The impact sent shockwaves through the planet, vaporizing rock and water instantly. The energy released was so immense that it heated the Earth's surface to thousands of degrees. The oceans boiled away, and the very air itself became superheated steam. The impact that created the Moon was unlike anything else in our planet's history. Debris from both Earth and the Wild Boar asteroid, now molten rock and vaporized metal, was blasted out into space. This material, caught in the grip of Earth's gravity, began to circle our wounded world. Over time, this ring of debris, still glowing red-hot from the impact, slowly coalesced. Gravity pulled it together piece by piece until it formed the familiar sphere we call the Moon. Our celestial companion, born from a cataclysm, would forever be a reminder of this ancient impact. But the drama wasn't over. As the Earth cooled, the vaporized water in the atmosphere condensed and fell back to the surface as torrential rain. These weren't showers, but planet-wide deluges that lasted for millennia. The oceans refilled, but the Earth was forever changed. The impact had fundamentally reshaped our planet. Where once there was only water, now land began to appear. The cooling remnants of the impact, along with material churned up from the Earth's interior, solidified into islands and eventually continents. The Earth's crust, fractured by the impact, continued to move and shift, a process we call plate tectonics. The appearance of land masses marked a turning point in the history of life. Some of the tiny organisms that had survived the impact in the deepest parts of the oceans found themselves in shallow pools and eventually on land. Over millions of years they evolved, adapted and diversified, ultimately giving rise to the incredible array of life we see today. These land masses didn't stay put. They drifted across the globe, colliding and separating over eons. Mountains rose where continents clashed, and vast ocean basins formed where they pulled apart. These drifting continents would eventually reach their present positions, creating the familiar map of our world. And so the Wild Boar asteroid, harbinger of chaos and destruction, inadvertently set the stage for our existence. Its impact, a cosmic accident of unimaginable violence, ultimately led to the creation of our Moon, the continents we inhabit, and the very air we breathe.